What's up, you guys? DelTRS here once again with another video just for you. Today we're going to a car meet, currently getting everything ready, getting the car clean, and we'll be at the car meet shortly. Car is looking clean. Tires came out clean. Alright, you guys, so we're currently on our way to the meet. It's about a 15-minute drive from here. Hopefully there's a good amount of people there. It's supposed to be a Focus ST and RS meet primarily, but all makes and models were invited, so hopefully there's a great turnout. I know there's going to be a couple of Mustangs there, and possibly another RS and a Charger SRT 392. Alright, you guys, so unfortunately we planned to go to another spot, and I didn't roll out right away, but when everybody else got there, pretty much the police came and shut it down right away. So unfortunately I didn't get any more footage. The only footage that I got was those little clips. It was a pretty good turnout for the most part. More cars did show up. I was just holding off to get to the other spot before I started really getting into filming, but I didn't make it there. Like I said, the police did shut it down, and pretty much everybody went home. Nobody went to a third location, so I'm pretty bummed out about that. So unfortunately, that has to conclude today's video because I don't have any more footage for you. It was a great meet, great turnout. Thank you for everybody that showed up. And I just want to give a big thanks to all my followers and everybody that's been watching me since I've started out. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave that thumbs up, drop a comment below, and let me know what you think about this whole situation. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.